Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sujit. Today I have come up with one more very interesting update in my Google Chrome extension, that is retrieve metadata and data from Salesforce. This version will be version 2.4.0 in my extension. So let's dive into the demo part quickly. So in this version I have introduced a new feature under the SOQL tab of my Chrome extension, which is SOQL Query Builder. This has been in my to-do list since a long time, and I have also received a lot of requests to implement this feature in the extension. So finally I am including this one as a very interesting feature in my Chrome extension. Hope you would all like this feature. So how it will work? So first, once you land into this SOQL Query tab, you will find this button SOQL Query Builder. Once you click that button, you will get an option to select your S object. Now, you can type your object name. As soon as you start typing, you will get the suggestions below. Let's see how it works. So let's say I want to search for an object called account. So I'll type ACC account, and as you can see, I'm getting a suggestion with every letter that I'm typing in. So I've got an option here for the account, so I'll select that one. As soon as I select the option account under S object, I can see that all the fields under the account object are being displayed under the field. So now whatever fields are required, I can simply select it from here, or if there is any additional field, then I can simply type in search box and select that. So let's say I want to select billing street. So I'll just type few letters of the billing street, and once I do that, you can see that the filter results, the search results have been filtered based on my typed in text. I can see the billing street at the top of my search results, so I'll just simply select that. So once you do all these activities, you will see under this SOQL query that all the fields which are being selected from the field search fields are being displayed here. So I've selected 4 fields here of the account. Now let's say I want to put some filters under the where clause. So let's say I want to add, or I want to query for account records where name starts with test. Okay, so I'll simply search the field name here as name. As I do that, I see the search results appearing here. I'll select the account name. Once I do that, you see the name has appeared here, and I need to select the operator. So I would select like as an operator, and I'll simply enter my value. So I would like to search for account records with whose name starts with test. So I'll simply write it as test, and I'll add this one. Once I add it, I can see the filter which has been added here, and also I can see that in the SOQL query preview. So you can see where name like test % have been added. Now let's say I want to limit the search results of this query to 10 records. So I'll simply type in as 10. As soon as I do that, as you can see, limit 10 has been added in the SOQL query preview. Let's say I would also like to order the search results based on the created date in a descending order. So I'd simply write it here as created date DESC. As soon as I do that, you can see that this order by clause has also been added in the SOQL preview. So once I'm satisfied with this query, I'll simply click on build query, and it will actually appear in the text area field, from where I can simply click on retrieve, and it will query Salesforce and give us the results. As soon as I do that, I'll see the 5 records appears here, which has a name which starts with test. So I'm getting 5 records here. So this is very handy, and you can anytime you can hide this particular SOQL query builder by clicking back on that same button. As you can see, it has been hidden, but I can still see the main query that I have used to retrieve the results from the Salesforce. So this is a very interesting feature. So this is the first feature that I have introduced in my in this particular version. Now there is one more feature. For that I need to go to the record details tab. So first let's go ahead and open any one of the account record from the list here. Let's say I want to see the first record, so I'll click on the account ID. As soon as I do that, I can see that another window has opened with that particular account record. I'll again open my extension, and this time I'll go to the record detail tab here. So as soon as I do that, and I can simply query that particular account, all the fields of that particular account record here by entering the account ID, and I'll click on fetch record button. So as soon as I do that, it will fetch all the fields of that particular record, and I can see the field value as well. So the new feature that I have added in this particular tab is that you can now start searching for any particular field value, level, or the API name by simply typing in your text in this particular search box. I want to search with the text as test. You can see the search results have been reduced to only 3 rows where this test appears as a text value. So as you can see, it appears on all the field value, all these 3 field values. So these 3 rows I have received. Similarly, you can search with any other text like name or anything you want. So this is very handy to get the required field from any record from the displayed results. These are the 2 features that I've added in this particular version of my Google Chrome extension. I hope you would like these 2 features, and if you do so, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they also get benefited with these particular features. So that's all for today, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.